Good morning, folks. Another day, another dollar. Today is Wednesday, and these are the top 5 things I'll be watching today in financial markets. Kicking things off with number 1. A drop in new coronavirus cases in China is lifting sentiment in global financial markets this morning. We saw China reported its lowest daily number of new cases since late January, and that's really stoking investor hopes that perhaps the worst of the outbreak is behind us. The number of new cases in Hubei, the province in which the outbreak first started, was 1,068 as of Wednesday, which is down from more than a peak of 3,000 from February 4th, which was the peak of the coronavirus outbreak cases so far. However, with that being said, we did see health authorities in China kind of change guidelines regarding how they count coronavirus cases. So perhaps the total tally could be underestimated. So still, a lot of coronavirus headlines will dictate sentiment. For now, though, it appears as if it is being contained, and markets actually are welcoming that news. On to number 2, we did see Chinese equities finish higher for the 7th session in a row, really taking or totally erasing the drop from the first day following the Lunar New Year holiday break. So really we see that liquidity injections from the People's Bank of China has lifted sentiment and kind of countered fears regarding the coronavirus. We could do our weekly comic, our weekly financial markets related cartoon on this topic tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. Over in Europe, stocks are also trading higher, with the Pan-European index hitting a record high. And on Wall Street, looks like the Dow is set for another strong day ahead, with futures up around 100 points. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ are also set to open at fresh record highs. So the feel-good, cheery mood on Wall Street continues. On to number 3. In earnings news, we do get a couple of reports ahead of the opening bell. Health retailer CVS, as well as software stock Shopify, will probably grab the spotlight ahead of the opening bell. After the close, tech giant Cisco delivers its quarterly report. The stock is down about 6% in the last 6 months. So we'll see if there's something in that report to perhaps help the stock make a comeback. Any comments from management regarding impact from the coronavirus on supply chains and the tech outlook over in China will obviously be in focus. Be on the lookout for my weekly article published today on Investing.com. 3 retailers poised to report stronger than expected Q4 results, as the retail group is due to start reporting earnings next week. And over in number 4, in commodities markets, oil prices are up about 2% this morning, rebounding from the 13-month lows hit earlier in the week. Really hopes that the virus is being contained in China, and in turn will help boost oil demand over in the world's second largest economy, is boosting sentiment in commodity markets. In addition, we do see efforts from Saudi Arabia to try to nudge OPEC to deepen production cuts. We are waiting from comments from Vladimir Putin, Russia's president, to see if Russia is along with the plan. And finally, number 5, in politics, Senator Bernie Sanders narrowly edged out Mayor Pete Buttigieg to claim victory in the New Hampshire Democratic primary. Senator Sanders has further cemented his position as the frontrunner as he takes on President Trump in the November 2020 elections. So really a lot to see there. Massachusetts Senator, we did see that Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren and former Vice President Joe Biden both had disappointing evenings, finishing 3rd and 4th respectively. That's it for me for today. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody.